So tai dia especially tai retired after his retirement tai Rajasthan de kam kore gise holibe nai ki holibe Nagaland de jaiga ami thakibo aro Nagaland de ini ki kutte holibe ami bi modot koribo kona Mr. Uday do aise ami han ekta orphanage home cholai ase to tai Google gura do ami han la to orphanage home dikhina tai bisana aise to direct ahina tai dia freely ami to orphanage home de school ekta cholai ase orphans khan limited offseters their scholars can be ase only be bishop orphans kan ase to tai do sagena ki holi bi ami ko nalage ami contribute kurubo kona tai ahina yoga aro Hindi idon sok aro kana ido tai teach kore ase de kona alop slight introduction di ase kam
So I work in Jaluki earlier, 4 years, professor of genetics, and I'm from Mumbai actually. I got retired from Bombay Veterinary College as the head of the department, and recently I joined Jaipur, and I missed Nagaland, so again came back. So working volunteering.